boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. And of course guys, if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend meal card trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. If you had followed up with my analysis in the morning, you should be in money right now, because all our TPs were we were able to achieve all our TPs on all the analysis. So it's we really happy about that. Okay, so this actually started an uptrend but got to an end at this resistance zone, sold for a while but went back up to get to this resistance zone, and right from there it started a downtrend and broke out from the last low. And of course guys, it's still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this, then it's most likely for it to get to this region, and of course if it breaks out from here, then it will get to this. So we should expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from that support zone. Okay, next asset should be boom 500. Okay, so guys, this is boom 500, and of course this also went on uptrend, and of course came to an end at this point, started a downtrend right from here, gave us a downtrend signal, and of course a sell signal. So it sold till it got to this region, and of course played around there for a while. After breaking out below it, it sold for a while, and it is still selling at the moment, even though it is very close to a support zone. Okay, so if it breaks out below it, it is going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on a buy trend. For now it is still selling. It might not be for long. Okay, most especially if it's unable to break out from there. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000. It actually went on uptrend to get to this resistance zone, and of course had the pullback, went back up again to form an a M, and of course it is now selling at the moment. Broke out from all the TPs I highlighted earlier on, and of course it has got into this region and it is still selling. But if it breaks out below this support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on a buy trend. So this is still more of a selling opportunity, or still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for long, because it is at the support zone. So if it does not break out from the support zone, then definitely it will go back on an uptrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is crash 500, still on 5-minute time frame also. So for crash 500, it started the downtrend right from here, got to this support zone. Remember, it got there around here, and of course it respected it. So it got there again and respected it, so it's bought for a while, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so let's watch out for that. This is buying at the moment. If it does not go for long, once it breaks out below this particular resistance zone, support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, if it breaks out below this trend line, then definitely it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it's going to buy again and target the upper part of the trend line. Okay, which is this. Okay, so and if it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more, so we should take note of that. So this is still buying at the moment, and watch out for the trend line. Once it break out below any of the trend line, then definitely it will follow that direction. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so next asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and of course this had been on uptrend, got to this support zone, I mean resistance zone, and of course it had a pullback but was unable to go below this. It got to the support zone, the same support zone around here also, and of course it went back up again. It has gotten to the resistance zone again. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will change the direction into a downtrend and try out this particular support zone again. So we should take note of that. Okay, so it has gotten to this again. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is still buying on at the moment until it is unable to break out above it. Okay, so buying might not be for long. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies very well, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.